Let's check. Let's see. This should be on, but it looks like it isn't. Well, it says we are live, so I'm not sure what's going on here. Oh, let's hope for the best. Oh, it's just the usual delay. Um, hmm. I hope you're seeing a stream. I'm not seeing a stream. I just wanted to verify the quality. Is it frozen? Oh, let's see. As you can see, we're live from the boat, which means we're in Spain. Usually I don't do fish on the boat, but something is not right here. Oh, stream quality seems to be okay. Let's see. This setup is a bit rough. I'm missing a second screen, so I cannot see what I'm doing while I'm doing it. So yeah, we're live from the boat, and remember last time we did this atlas packing, and actually it was kind of stupid because it did atlas packing, but it put all of them in individual files, which was a bit not really what we wanted. So let's delete the test data here and just rerun it. And now we have two files with one image each, even if each of them could fit both of them. And I wanted to do a bit. I'm not writing the atlas file today, but I wanted to add a bit of fitting to the atlas combiner today. So I would say we did do the start. We move this to next time. We move the bonus to next time. Because this is just going to be short. I want to test if it works, how the audio quality is, the usual stuff. So let me kill this here so I'm not sabotaging my own bandwidth. Yeah, let's see if this is working at all. You can see the fish is not moving up in the corner here, which is a bit sad. I have the video file on the laptop, so add simple fitting to the combiner, and actually this is what we did the last time. So let's go down here and switch to Sublime. I have to change that carabiner. So basically this is let's do the usual fetch rebase dance before we start working on anything. So this looks good, we're clean. And then we'll try to work on this today. I hope the screen quality is kind of readable, and I'm not gonna drag in more windows here. Actually, well, I probably should. So too many open windows will kill you. So remember we had this add entry here, which basically says if there's anything in it already, we don't even try. We just say, okay, go away. Just go away. And this obviously needs to be smarter. So how do we do this? How do we do this? Do I have a Krita instance somewhere? Where is my Krita? Oh, nice. You don't want to see that. Let's just push this here. Yeah, lots of mess. So how big can we go? So you can see it. This seems round about right-ish. So you see, I do the usual corner layout, so I can still hit the windows when I need them. So let's open a new file. Just I don't know, 500 by 500, and so what we want to do is we want to put basically multiple rectangles into one big rectangle. So we have a rectangle, and let's use a brush here. Let's use a nice, yeah, that's fine. And we put in the first rectangle. So obviously let's just put it in the top left. Wait, I want the color. Let's put it in the top left corner here, right? And then we take a second rectangle. So let's just put it, I don't know, we could just put it here, which would be kind of not so perfect. We could say, okay, we remember how far we used X and Y, and we could just put it here, which kind of, nah. So we could do what we do with text. So assume this is a letter, then we just put it here if it fits. And then we take the next one and put it here. And then the next one, which might be bigger, and put it here. And then we try to put the next one and go, uh-oh, 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 this is not gonna fit. So we go to the next line and just put it here. And actually that's a algorithm that already kind of solves most of it. So we just check, can we fit this texture in the current line? And just remember from the first one, okay, the first one defines the line height, which could be doable. But what if then we add one which is this high? And let's say it fits. So we could say we for every line we just store the highest object. But that would mean all this space here will probably be wasted, and we're getting into doing the right algorithm here. So let's just undo this. So how about when we add an object, we check, okay, it's the first object. So start a new line. Start a new line. And then we say, okay, if we get a second object, we say, okay, if it is bigger, so it doesn't fit into the line from the height, then we just start a new line, right? We just start a new line for bigger items. And you could say if we have a smaller one, let's say that this is roughly in the middle of these, just to visualize it, it doesn't fit here. It's too big for the first line. So let's try the second line. It fits in here, so let's put it here. And that's nice. Now we have a tiny, we could just go on like that and say, okay, now we fit one here, and we fit another one which is very narrow here, and we fit another one which is wide but still fits into the line here. And then we have an even bigger one, so it doesn't fit, so we create a new line here. And actually let's mark new line starts with different colors, so we actually put it here. And this kind of works. This in most cases this works. So we put one that goes here, and then we put another one that goes here, but it doesn't fit, so we create a new line. And let's mark this in yet another color. So we put one here. And if it doesn't fit anymore, we just switch to the next atlas. And this kind of already is much better than what we have right now. Obviously, there's some corner cases. I mean, imagine we have one now that doesn't fit in here anymore, and it doesn't fit here for some reason. Let's imagine we have this one coming in now. So we switch to the new atlas, clean everything, and all this space here is wasted. So obviously, well, we already have the iteration of a try every atlas that we used before. So we would reuse this. We have another problem with this. So let's undo all this. Let's go back here. So we have a big blue one, and we have an orange one coming in that's bigger. Well, the bigger case is easy, right? The bigger case is just create a new line. Just create a new line. So what about the smaller case? So we have a very tiny one coming in, and it just says, hey, I fit into this. I easily fit in there, no problem. So let's put this one here and another one. All the little fish and coins are coming here. And one more, well, and one more. And then we have a big one coming in. Let's say we want to fit this one. Basically the same size as this one. Obviously, it doesn't fit here anymore, which is a bit sad. So we have to, so we put it here, right? Which is kind of okay. And then we put the next one here and the next one. And I think you can see where this is going because let's mark this in purple. This space here is all wasted, and same for this is all wasted space. So if we go back, so what we should do, if we try to place this one here, the small one, and if it's much smaller than this, and that's some heuristic, we just guesstimated. So if this is, let's say, less than 50% of that, so we would waste more than 50%, and we're not doing the final algorithm. The final algorithm is a bit smarter, and you saw that corner packing we had in the actual atlas. Let's just, oh, I killed the old atlas files, which was a bit bad. Yeah. So let's not go into the full algorithm, which tries to put wide ones here and narrow ones here, and then kind of slices the that. Let's not go there. But if this is less than half the size of this, let's say half the size, then we create a new one here. I mean, if it does, if the new one coming in, if it's super, sorry, wrong color. If it doesn't fit in any row, the decision to create a new row is clear. Just put it here. But if it's smaller, then the decision should be kind of, let's aim at 50% and see what happens. I mean, oh, really? It's stuck? Yeah, looks like my stream is too unstable. I cannot hold the bandwidth, which is a bit sad. I'm not sure the bandwidth was good earlier. That makes me sad. That makes me sad. So the live stream. So let me try to restart the stream and see what happens. So I'm gonna stop.